Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm with my sister Carly as well as my boyfriend Darren, and we are all on the way to go to the SPCA to hopefully adopt or rescue a cat today. I say hopefully because we are not just going to impulsively buy. We want to make sure it's the right cat, especially because we have 2 other cats at home. We want to make sure it's the right fit and cat friendly and all that. We have one cat which you guys literally just saw in my intro. It's a tortoiseshell and she's 14. She's basically my cat, like I love her so much. And then our other cat, Emmy, which I also love, but she isn't really like a family cat. She kind of like hides away. You're so cute. Whoa, was that one? I don't know. Were they hissing at each other or me? You came over to me, buddy. Oh, there's another one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I like that one right there.
Oh, I don't know. I think that one's gonna bite. Alright, we're here, obviously. We just got distracted by the ones outside. Oh my gosh.
I'm not sure how Pyro is with those cats. Is that Pyro? Pyro, yeah. Okay.
Hi!
Yeah, Pyro was out of apprehensive.
Oh my god.
I'm trying to get
There's 2 tortoiseshells in here. Oh my gosh. Oh. This cat literally just jumped on me.
Oh yeah, that's Gatsby. So he's a boy. He is really sweet though.
So we are now back from the SPCA. I tried to record like what I could, but there was basically just a big room with a bunch of cats in it, which was so adorable. Some of them were walking around, some of them were up in cages. There was one that kind of looked like our one other cat, Emmy, which I think is like either a Siberian or a Maine Coon. I don't know. She's really fluffy. It was kind of like a gray version of her. She was 1 year old, so we did end up putting an application in for her. Her name was Sylvia, which I love that name. She was a gorgeous cat, but obviously it's not really up to what I say. It's Carly and her, it's gonna be her cat, so she is obsessed with it. She loves Emmy, obviously. That's like kind of her cat. Snickers is my cat, so it wouldn't be my first pick if it was my cat, but you know, she loves it, so we have to wait about 3 days to get approved for the application, and hopefully we do. I'll update you guys if everything goes through smoothly. So I look a hell of a lot different than I did in the previous clip, and that's because this is an update, and I honestly didn't know if I was gonna ever do an update to this video or if it was just gonna be like one of those videos that I never upload or never end up finishing. But there was good news that we are able to pick up the cat and adopt it because we were accepted for our application. The process did take a couple of days. I think the last time I recorded was either a Saturday or a Sunday. I know it was on a weekend, but it is now Tuesday and we are gonna leave in the next 5 minutes to go pick her up. She literally doesn't even know. She's gonna have a forever home to freely roam, have food at her access, litter at her access. You don't even know who's coming in a couple minutes. You're gonna have a brand new friend, honey. She's so cute. She's really scared, oh my god. It's okay, honey. She's really sweet. Like, you can tell she's not aggressive. Oh my god, no. Hi, baby. Beautiful eyes. She's so pretty. She honestly, her eyes look edited, like to be enhanced. I know. This is your new home, honey. Aww. She's exploring. Oh. The cat's over there. Snickers literally just came down. She doesn't even know she's over there. She's probably like, are you guys playing with the air over there? Poo-poo, you are so good.
Maybe she feels more comfortable that there's other cats now.
Okay, good. Aww. Is she gonna lick her? Is she gonna lick her? Aww. That would have been the cutest.
Emmy went down the steps.
Wait, I think she's actually gonna lick her. I think she's...
Can you give her a kiss?
Whoa! It's okay,
That
baby.
was adorable though. She went to
lick her. I think she went to lick her, realized it didn't taste like Emmy.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Now she's sketched out. Look. That's your new friend. Snickers, you have been the queen of this house for 14 years.
Give it up.
It's gonna be okay.
Oh, she's like,
Snickers, be nice. You're fine with it, huh? I think it's like a territorial type of thing. You guys look like sisters. Aww. So it is a couple hours later. She has adjusted a little bit better. Oh my god, she literally looks identical to our other cat, Emmy, like when we first got her when she was smaller. She is literally the sweetest thing, you guys. She's obviously a little shy because it's very new to her and she's very young, so this is very impressionable for her. But we're making sure to let her know that she's loved and has an amazing home to roam. It is now a month or so later. I wanted her to really adjust to her new home before I just like, you know, kept like shoving her into the camera and doing like daily updates. She is so adorable. She's super, super lovable, but we have noticed that she is a bit nocturnal, meaning she is very, very awake and energetic at night when everyone else is sleeping, and during the day she like kind of hides away and sleeps. And yeah, it's just like, because she's obviously super young, she has a lot of energy to burn at night. I literally have woken up so many times to her in the middle of the night, literally sitting on here, even sometimes up on the high one, but she's sitting here and she stares at herself in the mirror. She loves mirrors. She's like so fascinated by them. Obviously, I don't think the shelter had mirrors anywhere, so like it was totally new to her. Yeah, she is a bit shy still. She has been coming around a lot more than the last time I vlogged. The first like week or two she did hide away, and that's like all she would like. She would only be in my sister's room because that's the one room we kept her in for a week, and then she didn't really feel comfortable leaving. But now that it's been like about a month, she has just been walking around the house a lot more. As far as our other cats, they all get along, not like buddy yet. Obviously it took a couple years for even the cats that we have now to adjust, but adding a new addition, it was kind of a little stressful. So they definitely are warming up though, the more that she's coming around and not hiding. But yeah, besides the like energeticness at night, she is super loving. She purrs incredibly loud, especially because, I don't know if you guys know this or if I haven't mentioned this on YouTube, but my one cat, Snickers, which is my cat, she doesn't know how to purr. She just breathes really, really loudly, and it almost sounds like she's having trouble breathing, like her throat is clogged almost. And our other cat, Emmy, she can purr, but she's just very quiet. Like, she's not a vocal cat. So to have Luna be super like, I don't know, it literally sounds like a car. You can hear her from down the hall. She's super playful, she's super nice, and she's really, really gentle. She's definitely not a nasty cat at all. Like, even when our other cats would kind of like, you know, go up to sniff her and like be adventurous, I guess, she was totally fine with it, unless if our cats had a problem, you know. Basically, she wouldn't be the one to hiss first. I did have more footage of this whole vlog, but I don't know what happened to it. I don't know why like random pieces of my footage just like always goes missing or like gets lost somewhere. Like, I don't even know, but I'm here to cap this video off and make an outro. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what your favorite breed of a cat is. Mine is definitely a tortoiseshell. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.